Hey, Daddy. What do you want? Can I have some food? No, you may not have some food. Well, you can get me a sandwich or something. No. Why? I don't want to. I'm lazy. You get me a sandwich or you're staying here grounded. Whatever. What should I get for my daddy? Should I get some rice, some Fanta, bang, milk? Fruit? No, he hates fruit. Ooh, eggs. Look at this, eggs. Yeah, I think I should get him the eggs. Maybe. Yo, I'm so hungry. What should I eat? Ooh, look, some rice. Some cream o' lamb. Some fruit. Ew, just got some fruit. I don't want to be in here. Close the door. Dun dun dun. Is there a lock button on here? Lock. Okay, I just locked it. Wait a minute, did he just lock me in here? Oh no, 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 no. He locked me in here. Well, there is some delicious food in here. Like this egg. Oh no. Just gonna drink some of the milk. I can't even reach. Should I drink? Oh. Wait, I can cry for my dad. Help! 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 Get me out of here! Daddy, someone! Help! Help! Is that Aligo? Oh, he's probably being stupid. In the door. Whatever. Hey. What do you want, John? Well, I just locked the fridge because I wanted to get something. Then I didn't. And I locked the fridge. Do we even have a lock feature on it? Yeah. I don't know. He's probably just trying to give me some food. Then he locked it. You didn't lock it. You're too dumb to lock it. Well, so I saw the button and I locks it. Yeah, whatever. He's probably fine. Or else he would be like screaming in fear. Help! I guarantee that's not him. Okay, so I'm just gonna go look back at the fridge because I don't know how to unlock it. He's so stupid. Oh no, nobody hears me. This is what I could do. Ew, it smells in here. What is that? Is that you, eggs? Don't be you. I don't know what to do. Scream in fear? I don't have my phone in here. Wait, do I? Phone. No, I don't think my phone in here. I always keep a spare phone somewhere. I think it was the fridge. I don't know. I could call someone. There's nothing here. Literally nothing. I'm just gonna keep screaming in fear. Help! Help! Dear God, somebody just help me, please. John? Daddy? Someone just help, please. Yo, I just heard something from the fridge and I don't know what it was. Oh, I guarantee it's just like a rat or something. Why would there be a rat in our fridge? I don't know, but just stop. Stop annoying me. I'm trying to watch. The TV's not even on. What am I watching? Okay, let's go check if somebody's in there. Yeah, that's what I want to do. This whole time. Okay, stop talking like that, really. It's annoying. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to go in there. We're going to unpick the lock because you don't know how to do it. And we're just going to see if someone's in there. Yo, I'm going to stay here. It's because I'm too lazy to get up. Whatever. Okay, where's that lock? Wait. You said there was a lock. I never said there was a lock. I just said I locks it. Then how do I open it? Hello, is somebody in there? Yes, it's me, Aligo. Get me out of here already. It looks like there's a lock inside too, but I can't reach it. How could you not reach it? I don't know, I just can't reach it. But where is it? It's like way in there. Okay, I'm gonna try. I can't even get in there. Maybe if I just try to open it again. Wow, that was easier than expected. Aligo, there you are. What's going on? I don't know. I just came in here to try to find something to eat. Okay, well, let's get back to the couch. We really need to. Must be cold, aren't you? Yeah, even though I'm a cold-blooded. Oh, whatever. Let's go. Aligo, you okay now? That means don't be dumb every time we go in the fridge. Okay, Daddy. Yo, can I go in the fridge? I want to get something. Yeah, just don't lock yourself in there like you did last time. I didn't lock myself in there. Yo. Dude, you never end the sentence with yo. You end with like bro or something. Okay, fam. I'll see you when I get back. He's so dumb. So I'm gonna come to the fridge and I'm just gonna unlock everything. Okay. What do we get? I don't know. This, that. Well, I have no idea. I don't know what's gonna happen if somebody locked me in here.